everybody's attention, please? I have a special message from your soon-to-be wife. She says, to my husband-to-be, by now, you're probably surrounded by your groomsmen, each of them trying to hype you up, crack jokes, or calm your nerves in their own way. Because they all care about you, and I know how much you love and appreciate every single one of them. You picked one hell of a team to stand with you and see you into this next chapter of your life. Before we walk down the aisle and everything starts, I wanted to say a few things just for you. When you're standing there waiting for me, I want you to know I'm walking towards you with my entire heart. I'm saying yes, not just to this day, but to every single day after it. To laughter, to tears, to all the beautiful and messy parts of this life we'll share together. Today is about you and me. It's about the love we've built, the family we've become, and the future I can't wait to share with you. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.
Watching my little sister grow up and become this, don't you look at me like that. Why you're doing it? Jeez, I'm just gonna look here. Watching her become this strong and just feisty and independent and just like unique doesn't even touch Jen, because there's like unique and then there's Jenny. So I just want to say that I'm just so proud of you and Shaun and what you guys have built together. And I wish you guys nothing but happiness and way more inflatables for all the holidays. So here's to Jenny and Shaun.
To my wife. Jen walks into a room, doesn't have to say a word. People just stop and notice. She's elegant, she's graceful, she's classy, sophisticated, gorgeous. Sorry, Jen, what else did you write here? All joking aside, seriously, I wouldn't spend my life with anyone else.
Please rise. On behalf of Shaun and Jenny and their parents, it's a privilege to welcome you here today. Weddings are a time of joy and celebration. There's been much anticipation for the arrival of this day. When a celebration is shared, the joy and excitement is multiplied, and so you being here today adds to their sense of joy and increases the celebration we're having today.
My love, we may be opposites, but you are the perfect balance to my madness. And that's what makes us strong. Like logic and emotion, structure and elegance, we balance each other. So here's to our lifetime of laughter, loud mornings, quiet moments, and love that somehow makes total sense, even if I try to overanalyze it. I love you more than words can say. I admire you, I respect you. You make me want to be a better man, father, and husband. Not by asking me to change, but by just being exactly who you are. I love you.
Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. It does not demand its own way. It is not irritable and it keeps no record of being wronged. It does not rejoice about injustice, but rejoices whenever the truth wins out. Love never gives up, never loses faith, is always hopeful, and endures through every circumstance. Love lasts forever.
Shaun, from the very beginning it felt like we were picking up where we left off, like I had known you for a lifetime already. When I first saw you, it was as if we had just gotten separated and lost in a crowd of people. And today, I promise to never lose you again. I promise to love you with my whole heart through the easy times and the tough times. I promise to be faithful and loyal to you in every way.
I promise to share quiet moments and the loud ones, the calm and the storm, because it's in these moments that I find my home. Our incredible sons, Kelvin and Bowen, I promise to be the best version of myself for you and for our family.
I vow to always be your ride or die girl, even if it means cruising in old lowriders for the rest of our lives. I'll be there pushing the car from behind as you steer us towards that golden horizon. It is my honor and privilege to pledge my life to someone so kind and selfless, who makes me laugh every day and loves me and our two boys no matter what. You are my best friend, my greatest love, and today I choose you without hesitation or doubt for the rest of my life.
I promise to be your partner in crime, even if it means we have to blame the dogs. With this ring, I commit to a lifetime of love, laughter, and learning from each other, because together, we are the perfect balance of everything we never knew we needed.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's my pleasure to announce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Shaun and Jennifer Kumar.
And I'm going to give you the same advice you gave me on our wedding day, Shaun. Jenny, can you hold your hand out? Shaun, you put your hand on top. Remember, that'll be the last time you ever have the upper hand. No. Congratulations on your marriage. God bless you both.
I just want to say I'm really happy to have you in our family.
We want to welcome you, Jenny, to the Kumar clan as our new daughter-in-law. We love you and we respect you, but putting up with this guy.
Shaun, please never stop loving Jen. She'll make you work for it, but I promise you that she's worth it. And congratulations, both of you. And welcome you guys to our family.
I just wanted to say it's great to see so many people that I haven't seen in decades, and that you can finally see my beautiful boys and now my beautiful husband. And I couldn't be happier with how today went, and he didn't faint and I didn't faint, and that was my number one worry. So good job, us. And as much as as much as people may joke that I put up with you, I know I am difficult. I know I am moody. I know I can make you cry with my words. But I love you and I respect you, and I wouldn't want to do this with anybody else.